Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock apps with fingerprint in Samsung A16. If you're using A16 and you want to lock your apps with fingerprint, so let's see how can you do this. Open your settings, then go for security and privacy option, and here select more security settings. Select secure folder, select continue, then continue, and it will create a new folder, secure folder for you. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. So here you just have to create a password. It might be pin, password, or pattern. I'm going to select pattern and then create a pattern. Select continue, then enter your pattern again, then confirm, and here just select allow, then enable fingerprint here, and then you must have to set up your fingerprint if you won't have. So I'm going to enter mine. Just select continue, then continue, and here you must have to enter your fingerprint just like this. Just make it complete. You just have to wait for it until it might be complete. And after that, tap on done, and here just select next and select plus icon, and here add the apps which you want to lock with your fingerprint. And I'm going to select YouTube and then Facebook, then select add from here. You can see the apps has been added. Now go back, and here just open secure folder, enter your fingerprint. So that's how you can easily lock your apps with your fingerprint in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.